Mishemanio teno iria irehete hamwe maafitha a thirikari cia kaunti cia Isiolo, Baringo, Laikipia na Samburu niyo irarutire mendekithia maria matanyitwo kugarura miturire ya aikari a kaunti icio. Mushemanio wa kuruguria ngwataniro ya Amaiya Triangle utafanirio na nyuki ni gavana wa Laikipia Derito Mureithi, akinyita ugeni gavana wa Baringo Stanley Kiptis na anini a gavana Julius Leseto wa Samburu na murunawe Isa Kashoto kuma Isiolo. Kiptis ni ugiri ati kwina mathina manene maria mangininwo tu ni thirikari cia kaunti kunyitana.
We want also to demystify the aspect of the I and we go into the we by creating synergy within our regions.
Nake Mureithi atariria maundu maria megukorwo makirumbuia me hamwe na gutigirira mahiu mena gia kuria, aikari othe ni magia na mai ma kuigana, waki wa barabara, kuria wa ugendi na biashara hamwe na githomo.
Modernizing of livestock production is not just about ending conflict. Look, livestock is our key resource as these 4 counties. And we believe we are not even reaching a 10th of the potential of this livestock sector.
Oho, ongerera kuga ati thirikari icio cina mubango na commission ya uguri wa nyama niyo Kenya Meat Commission wa kugura mahiu hindi ino ya riua niguo kugitira arimi hathara ya ngaragu.
Livestock. The livestock value chain is our key value chain as 4 counties. And of course, it also sometimes can be the source of conflict.
Deto ino ni ikirirwo mukonde ni munene wa commission iyo ya nyama agitariria mahiu maria megukorwo makigura.
To use the normal KMC grading system, either in live weight or at carcass level, where we get these animals and we do a revolving fund and we offtake these animals from communities and it will release the stress.
Atongoria acio ni maugire ati mena komiti iria igukorwo igitigirira ati mitaratara ino ndino rirathi, akiuga ati ni megukorwo magicabithia mabuku ma kugathiriria gitaro kiu kuri agendi. Gicigo giki ni kigomeirwo ni wagi wa thayu na kunyitana gwa kaunti ici kuronwo ta gukorwo gwikihonia kuri ruo rwa aikari acio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ndina nyuki kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, njitagwo Martin Munene.